Okay, so let's say for some weird reason you have this image on desktop, but want to change this image on landscape and use a different image. One way would be to just hide this image and take another image, but to be honest, that's wrong and that's just not effective. So I show you a better solution. So you just get the class of the image and the URL that you want to, like the other URL. For example, I want to change and use now this image right here on landscape. What you do now is to get the code for changing images based on screen size, and I put this into the description. You can just copy that. And now you get into the code. So get into your CSS and elements, and then go into your HTML. And I've already got the code right here, so that's the code. Now what I do is I get, first of all, the URL of my image. Quickly getting the URL, and there you go. And the image class, which is we got that here. Okay, that's the image class. And let's say on landscape, so that's I don't know, 776 pixel. So on a max width of 7, 7, and 6 pixel, it's going to change. Okay, so let's hit save and close. Let's go to desktop and then just inspect that. Okay. Okay, we're right here in desktop and we have this image, and on landscape we have a different image. So well, it's not responsive at all, but you know what I'm thinking about is you have to get this, all right? And what you can use to make it 200%. Okay, and now it's also responsive, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's the way of changing an image based on the max width and media only screen. It's way more effective and way more faster than the normal height, and yeah, somehow have two different images. Don't use that, use my method. Use the code that I put into the description. Hope it helps, and yeah, see you next time.